Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a gaming test and a gaming review on the new Galaxy A10e. So this is Boost Mobile's newest and greatest budget phone for only $100. You can actually pick this up for only $100, guys, through boostmobile.com. I actually picked mine up for less than that when they were having a 10% off deal, thanks to a nice promotional discount that I was able to find. Talking about promotional discounts, let's get into today's sponsor, guys. Honey is a web extension tool that you can actually use on your Google Chrome. It's Google Chrome extension, so you can save and find deals, promotional discounts like I found on Boost Mobile, guys. I was able to save 10% off my purchase of the Galaxy A10e by using the Honey, Google Chrome extension tool. It's 100% free, and if you download it using my link and promo code, well, mainly my link in the description below, you will be able to use it for free as well, and that kind of helps the channel because it will support it. So check out the link below and save some money, guys. Works on Amazon, Walmart, Boost Mobile, anything like that. Major deals going on there, so check it out. So let's get into today's video, guys. Like I said, sorry for the whole rambling. I need to get better at this, but just got kind of partnered with that. So and I really do enjoy it and use it. I really did save 10%, but let's get into it, guys. Here's some games that we want to test out. Whoops. So, all right, guys. So here's some games we want to test out. As you can see, there's Breakneck, PUBG, Into the Dead 2, IronBlade. We're not going to test all of them because it's going to make this video way too long, but we're going to test some out, of course. So let's go ahead and, of course, get into PUBG. I'm going to get into big games. Because this is what we really want to test out. And believe it or not, guys, I actually was able to play this on medium settings. So yes, guys, medium settings for $100. That's pretty rare to find on Boost Mobile phone. Most of them you can play it on low settings. So I'm actually surprised you can actually play this on medium settings. So let's get into it. Very nice. I really do like it. The only downfall so far that I'm seeing with gaming is the speaker is on the right side right here, guys, and also holding it like this, it does have some ghost touch, or when you're, I guess, the skin of your hand touches the screen, sometimes it can make it seem that you're trying to click too many times, and sometimes the response won't work. I don't know if that makes sense, but let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so let's go ahead and click start. And let's see how we do and how smooth this is. Like I said, remember, guys, this is a $100 phone. This is using the Exynos chip, 7848, I believe it is. Can't really remember, guys, but it's one of those. It's an Exynos chip. It's not even a Snapdragon, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, some people say that the Exynos chip is a lot better than Snapdragon, but let's see. So it's gonna be a little hard for me to try to kind of play since I'm kind of looking through a camera, guys, so bear with me. But overall, so far so good. Not much lag, of course. Every phone will lag here and on PUBG. Thanks to everybody kind of loading in. It's like, I line, what the man, this dude just saw the new Lion King, man. What's up, bato? Whoop, 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 boom, son. Alright, come on. Couple more seconds, but overall the graphics look nice. The gameplay is pretty smooth, but let's see. Let's actually get into the battle. Alright, so we're here on the airplane, so let's go ahead and see how that is. I'm probably going to skip most of these parts, guys. Whoa. Someone just put a skin on here? Wow. That's pretty cool, guys. No, I'm not going to follow them. I'm just going to jump off wherever I want. Let's say it's a little hard and tricky for me to kind of see where I'm at, thanks to the camera. But we'll try to see how it works. So we're in this warehouse right here. So far it looks good. Of course, a little bit of pop-ins here and there, but nothing bad. A little bit of lag there, but like I said, that's usually normal since it's just the game's kind of just starting. So nothing too bad. Of course, got some weapons here. Like I said, sorry if I kind of I'm a little bit bad at it. I'm really good at this game, I would say, but it's a little tricky. Like it's heating up a little bit. They always do heat up by the camera, but nothing too bad. It's not scorching hot. It's just definitely you can tell it warm. It's warming up a little bit, guys. Um, but overall, I think it's okay. There's other phones where you can definitely tell what the frames drop quite a bit too. But I would say definitely it's playable. Oh God. There we go. Got a kill. Probably a bot, but hey. Elimination is an elimination. So pretty cool. I'd say it's definitely very nice, guys. It's definitely playable. You won't have any issues or anything like that. So the next one that I would say it's IronBlade. IronBlade is a heavy, or should I say, graphic intensive game. A lot of other phones that I even try to play. Like I don't think any budget phone has really passed my test when it comes to playing IronBlade. All of them lag, and you can definitely tell like the cool pad definitely lagged on this game. So let's go ahead and see how the Exynos does. Look at that. That's pretty smooth, I would say, guys. So I'm actually shocked. For $100, you can actually play this game, guys. This is a game that was meant for like the iPhone. What was it? Maybe 5 or I don't even remember what iPhone it was, but it was meant for the iPhone. So that's pretty crazy. And this, this game or this phone can actually play this game. So look at the graphics. I mean, pretty graphic intensive, I'd just say. Very good cutscenes. So very nice if you want to play something like this game. You can definitely do it here. So kind of reminds me of a lot of games. I mean, look at this, man. Come on now. I'm destroying a demon looking thing right here. Boom, son. Look at these graphics, man. Overall, just for that, for being able to play IronBlade, I would give it a pass. Definitely a great game, like I said, if you have a budget device and you try to download IronBlade and see how that goes for you guys, flagship phones, of course, can handle it with no problem. But remember this phone's $100, guys, and this is the cheapest and low spec tier Galaxy A series that Boost Mobile will get. Of course, they're projecting to get the A20. Hopefully, the A50. The A50 is really a powerhouse. So for $100, guys, this phone is amazing. Now, of course, let's go ahead and play another game right here. Like I said, I'm really going for the heavy hitters this time, not just any temple run or anything like that any phone can do. I'm actually trying to see how far we can push this. So this is Shadowgun Legends, another graphic intensive game, guys. So we'll see how that looks in just a little bit. But I mean, look at the graphics of this game too. I mean, that's pretty bananas, guys. All right, so it's loading, and like I said, same thing. I'll show you the graphics. I mean, look at this. Let it load. Yes. I've played this game before. I mean, look at this. This is like a console. Like, I feel like I'm on console or something. Like, not graphic wise. Well, a little bit of graphic wise. Because, I mean, look at these graphics. But just, how it plays and everything. So, let's go ahead and go to a mission. Let's find out a mission. Let's see. Tap here for a mission. All right, so we're starting a mission. Let's go ahead and see how that goes. It's the first time I'm actually kind of playing this game, guys, so bear with me. So let's see how that goes. Whoa, so check this out. All right, check this out, guys. So hopefully everything seems very smooth. Wow, look at that. So little drop frames here and there, nothing too bad, but like I said, this is a pretty graphic intensive game. But hey, it's definitely playable. Not much lag, just a little bit of, drop in frames here and there. But overall, I think it's good. Whoa. Jeez, I mean, look at these explosions, man. Kind of reminds you of like Halo or something a little bit. Or like a sci-fi shooter, Let me change guns. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that, man. Very fun game, guys. And I'm actually surprised that, this phone can even play this. Like I said, I'm not testing out little games that, every phone can actually, play. But I'm actually going for heavy hitters this time. Like I said, the phone does get a little bit of warm, especially by like the camera. That's a lot of phones do that. But overall, I think it's fine. It's nothing too bad. So pretty cool, guys. Definitely a pass. Like I said, if you want to try it out, the games that I've tried out is PUBG, of course, IronBlade, and of course, Legends here, Shadowgun Legends. I don't even remember what the game's name is, but you'll see there. I did try Clash of Clans, as you can see right there. It's flawless, guys. You can play it 100%, no issues whatsoever. I did try to play Fortnite right there. As you can see, I tried to download Fortnite, but the device is not compatible, even though it's a Samsung. It can't handle something like Fortnite, guys. You really do need a flagship phone. But overall, what do I think about this, guys? I give it a pass for most gamers. It's definitely worth a buy, especially for $100. And if you have a kid that wants to play games and you don't want them to be like, Dad or Mom, I want a better phone because this phone's super laggy. For $100, guys, you can't beat the A10e on Boost Mobile. You can even buy them unlocked and stuff like that. But overall, it's a great phone, guys. I highly recommend it, and more to come. Big screen as well. Just get a case, and that will help it with not getting so warm, at least so you don't feel it, But hey, graphic intensive games do make your phone warm. Overall, the battery life as well is pretty good. I have 94% battery still, so overall, it's fine there. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragon Warfare sign off. Like I said, if you want to support the channel, you can check out Honey, the browser extension for Google Chrome. It's 100% free. I will have that in the description below, so check that out. You can also join. You can click the join button, and that will definitely help support the channel, guys, with only 99 cents a month that you guys can donate. That will definitely help the channel a lot. That way I can bring more phones to you guys. Like I said, if not, it's the budget's running kind of low. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Dragon Warfare sign off. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, share, like, comment, all that cool stuff. Thank you guys for watching.